Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel once again. Still bringing you updates from the ongoing road construction. That's the Opkuno isuofia road in the capital city of Anambra State, Awka. Okay guys, this is the situation report on this road at the moment. So as you can see at this point, they are already working on one of the lanes on this road. Okay, at this section of the road, they have done the other lane. They are done with the asphalting of the other lane to an extent, and now they are on this lane. You can also see for yourself the quality of work that's going on here. This is what the Anambra State government, that's the Soludo administration, is doing in various parts of Anambra State. And the road that this administration is constructing is not just anyhow road. Okay, they are really constructing quality roads in Anambra State at the moment. No doubt this administration will also be one of the best administrations that Anambra has had so far in terms of road infrastructure development. I've always said this in most of our videos because of what we are seeing on ground. You understand, it's not just mere saying. When we say things like this, we make sure it's what you can also see for yourself. And at this point, you can see the quality of work that's going on. This is not just anyhow construction. This thing is done with quality materials and quality standard. The standard is very okay. These roads that are under construction in Anambra State will last decades if well maintained. So right now, this is Opkuno isuofia road in the capital city of Anambra State, that's Awka. So I'll also show you the side that have been done already, that's towards the Abakaliki road. So this is what is happening in Awka at the moment, and we'll keep bringing you such updates back to back on this channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. So you can see the roundabout that has been constructed at this point. This is the Abakaliki road, or you can call it the Club Street. Thank you for watching up to this point. Stick with us on our next epic video coming your way. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Remain blessed and bye for now.